Monomial. One-term expression. Quote, mono, end quote, means one, and a monomial is a single-term expression, like 2x. Quote, bi, end quote, means two, and a binomial is a two-term expression, like x squared plus 3x. A trinomial is a three-term expression, like 3x squared plus 4x minus 2. Notice that these are all examples of expressions because there is no equals sign. If we take any one of the examples and put it equal to 0, as in 3x squared plus 4x minus 2 equals 0, then we now have an equation because of the equals sign. In general, when we are using the word, quote, binomial, end quote, it is in reference to an expression. If we had x squared plus 3x equals 0, then we would probably say a, quote, binomial equation, end quote. As to what constitutes a term, a constant like 2 is a term, a variable like x is a term, a coefficient and a variable like 3x is a term, a coefficient with a variable raised to a power like 3x squared is a term. Any, quote, like terms, end quote, would have to be combined before naming the expression. For example, 3x squared plus 4x minus 2x plus 5 minus 2 is not a five-term expression. We would combine like terms, CLT, and first come up with 3x squared plus 2x plus 3, and then go ahead and name it a trinomial. A monomial is a single-term expression. Related words, combine like terms, CLT, equation, binomial, trinomial, polynomial.